My God, I'm becoming a techie. Welcome to part 2. We're going to add some more orbs to the orbs we already have. I'm going to just look at placement just ever so briefly. I kind of like that. So far, if you're just tuning in and you missed part 1, I'm making circles. And the best ones so far have been with gold. And I'll show you what I'm filling them with in a moment. And if I don't use too much of it, it doesn't leak too far. And we're working on a dry painting that was a little lackluster. The updates, the version of updates. Not able to think and talk and work all at the same time. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm coming back. That's good. I like moving it in with a spatula. There's my paint. Beautiful configuration of paint. And it's not setting up too fast. There's a lot of great colors in there, and we're going to have to be very choosy about what we put down, because it will spread. And it will maybe spread more than we want it to. I'm just going to lead that paint out a little bit toward the edges, because I can, with my skewer. And then I'm going to do what I've been doing. And torch it. Only this time I'm going to turn it down way low, because watching the paint melt on the dry parts is kind of freaking me out. It's not a very cooperative torch, I gotta say, but it works a lot better for me than the butanes. Really? Than the butane ones did. We don't want to set the painting on fire, but I think we might have just done that anyway. I think I might want to go find a butane torch now that I say that. Okay, well, we can camouflage whatever I just melted eventually, but this is getting really cool and I'm liking it a lot. I just still want some kind of balance in my design. That's some freaky looking universe there. And I'm going to go for the gold again as soon as I find out where I put it on myself. I'm thinking maybe, yeah, maybe a little one. Oh, that's so nice right there. I don't want to do that. Well, we can do this as many times as I feel like doing it. I'm going to look at our paint, find something cute, and deposit it. This is called scooping or spooning. Pretty sure I invented it. But now I really want to use that torch, and I can't make it behave. But I do use GAC 800 religiously, so hopefully that will mean, even if it's thick, it'll dry okay. Little tiny, tiny, tiny flame. Stay on for me, please. I need a shield around my new and additional wet paint. Look, that looks like a little planet too. I could just add some gold and nobody would know. Right? Right? Cool. Cheater. Ha. You won't tell, will you? Perfect. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. You know, I don't know how many more of those I really need. I should ask the opinion of someone else, right? Or not. Let's put a little signature spiral in there. Boy, the cells popped in there. They're just magnificent. I'm so happy with this. Is it finished? That's the question. It really looks pretty close to finished to me. Okay, well, I could have let the camera run, I guess. Also add a little bit of that color right there. It's another because I can moment. All right. Check my circle integrity. Seems to be okay. I don't know how close I can get you to one of those, but check that out. I don't know if it'll focus or not, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time making you dizzy doing this. And I'm going to put it back. And I'm going to check to see what we've got in screen. And that's cool. It's better than it was anyway, and I like it. So, voila! Part 2 is over. Have a great day. Bye for now.